What's up, guys? Pedro here, and on this video we're going to be reviewing that cold air intake that we installed, reinstalled I should say, just recently. Coming up right after this. So I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear, but we're going to take it down the road and see how she sounds. Hopefully better than I do. Now there's always cops on this road, so I can't open her up too good. But I'm going to give her a shot. And I'm already to the speed limit. Okay, so I'm gonna go down. Actually, I'm going to the liquor store. Go down to the liquor store and pick me up a bottle of whiskey. And I'm gonna put an extension. Oh, I don't think I brought it. I was gonna put an extension on my microphone and stick it in the engine compartment. So I'll have to go back to the house and get my extension for my microphone and stick it in the engine compartment and see if you can hear it any better that way, which of course you should be able to. Okay, so there you have it. I'm no mechanic, but the car feels like it has more power. It sounds a lot better, and I know for a fact that I'm getting 3 miles to the gallon better than what I was prior to the installation. I travel a lot, so this thing paid for itself. This kit paid for itself in just 2 months. I mean, come on. It's a pipe, some clamps, and a filter, for crying out loud. No way I'm paying $200 to $300 for that. So anyways, I shopped for quite some time and I found this kit on Amazon for 55 bucks. I'll put a link to it in the description below. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless and take care. Pedro